What's up, guys? It's Chris Jordan here, and welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to be going over why you should be using chatbots to grow your business, whether it's an agency, chatbot agency, affiliate marketing, what other thing, network marketing, uh, and basically any business out there. You should be using chatbots to grow your business. And I'm going to briefly explain why it's so powerful and how you can actually start setting up chatbots. I'm not going to go into full detail on how to use chatbots or how to set everything up, but I'm just going to show you like the basics of it. And if you're in my Facebook group, I am going to start going live. Probably going to start going live more so people, not even more, but start going live in general. So people can ask me questions, things I recommend, all that type of stuff. So as you can see, uh, in this video, I don't use ManyChat anymore. I used to use ManyChat and I used it for a long time, but all the clunkiness of going back and forth between flow sequences and all that other stuff, even how you build the chatbot, build like the what's it called, build the steps and everything of building the chatbot. It was just too much for me. I used to like it, but I honestly like Chatmatic better, and it's just because it's more simple. There's not as much clunk everywhere, and it's basically straight to the point. And I just like the simpler design. Chatmatic and ManyChat are my favorite two softwares out there, if anything. So you can use ManyChat if you want. You can use Chatmatic if you want. I really use Chatmatic because I like the simple design, and I follow Travis Stevenson a lot. And I look at a lot of stuff he has to say when it comes to chatbots. But let's actually get into the video. So chatbots is basically messenger marketing. And if you've been using chatbots, you know about chatbots. This is just for beginners, for people who just now get into chatbots or just now using it. But it's basically messenger marketing to where you can connect the chatbot to a page. And if they opt in or they click on a referral URL to the messenger chatbot, it will send them a message, an automated message. And it's basically meant to mimic the conversations of if me and you were in Messenger. So as you can see on the side, I've been getting rid of a lot of chatbots in here. I used to have a bunch of clients in here. As you see, there's two in here still: North Texas Fitness, Sigma, CrossFit. I'm probably about to get rid of those as well. But as you can see, there's also demos in here. Demos and everything, which is dumb. If you do have a chatbot agency or you're planning on starting one, I recommend doing all your demos inside of your personal page or your agency page, because if they go through the demo, that means they're a subscriber to your chatbot, and you could obviously keep marketing to them and whatnot through your page. You don't want to create all these new pages for certain niches and have them go through that chatbot. It's better to just create a demo inside your own page, or agency page, and just have them go through the demo through there. Just send them a campaign link. Sorry, my voice. Just send them a campaign link and basically send them through there. But as you see, I still have two clients in there. I'm going to hand those off eventually. Personal injury chatbot demo. As you see, there's more demos. But I should have been sending more people. I've thought about sending more people to my personal chatbot for my public page, but I actually been sending most of my most of my subscribers to my software business company page or whatever. And I've been doing this for like a week or a week and a half, as you can see, and I've been just adding people as friends that are going to need the software that I use, or going to need the software for the business to basically automate it, get better conversions, all this other stuff. I literally just add people as friends. I'm not running any traffic or anything. I add people as friends who need my software. They see my profile. They opt into my profile funnel. And once they click on the link, it sends them into Messenger. And we begin basically a conversation inside of Messenger with my chatbot. So I'm just going to go inside here. As you see, there's 40 subscribers. So those are 40 potential leads that can buy from my business as well. I also offer like free things such as like, free cold email templates or whatever. or some other things, like some other options, like a 14-day trial to my software or whatever. So let me actually go to. So here in the first section, I just like to sleek this better design. This is just better design compared to ManyChat. But people use ManyChat, and I think it's hella good. But I just prefer Chatmatic. But as you see here, these are all the people who are subscribed to my uh, chatbot. And if you just click on, let me just click on. I'm not going to click on anybody actually, but if you click on these things, because I don't want you guys to get the data and steal my data. But if you click on this little icon, it's going to show up like their email. Actually, let me look for someone who's, I believe he's unsubscribed. I do believe he unsubscribed. Yeah, so he unsubscribed, so it's probably not going to pop up. Oh, it did pop up. So this guy, he's opted into my messenger bot just from going from to my profile. And as you can see, I got their email, so I could easily connect to Zapier. So whenever they put in their email or the chatbot auto generates their email, it will send straight to whatever my CRM is or whatever my email marketing software I'm using. It was automatically send them to there. Then there's phone, location. You see how many messages are sent, messages read, two total clicks. So he's clicked times in my chatbot, which tells me he's interested in my software. And as you can see from clicking, I tagged him as yes to RC, so yes to my software basically. And campaign subscribed. There's some other people subscribed in this, probably subscribed in multiple campaigns. But this is just a quick overview of basically how the subscriber section work inside Chatmatic. But as you can see, literally with the chatbot I built for my software company, I'm literally collecting the email, which is a potential lead. So now when I market to them on my list, they're going to get my emails. They're going to get my messages inside of Messenger. And there are some rules to Messenger, like the 24-hour broadcast. You can't. I forgot exactly how it goes, but I'll explain it in a different video. But literally, since they give me their email and I have like my account connected to the service I use, my email marketing service software that I use or whatever, they're getting messages from my emails and they're getting messages from my Messenger chatbot. So I'm hitting them on two different channels to really build rapport and eventually get them to buy my software or buy my service or whatever. I mean, just software. I don't even offer services anymore. As you can see right here, he's unsubscribed. He unsubscribed. But out of everybody, I guess he must have resubscribed. But these people unsubscribed. That's why the thing is like that. But let's actually go into campaigns. Campaigns is a way to get people into your chatbot. So, for example, right now I have a $1 offer where you get access to all my software for $1. Literally, exclusive 15-day trial sign up. So these are for the people who want to try out my software and they want a 15-day trial. This is an exclusive trial where I offer you exclusive offer, so a discounted offer to use my software after the trial is up. As you see, only 5 people. I sent people to a funnel. I sent people to a funnel before they were able to click on this link, this campaign link. As you see, there's a campaign link, edit campaign, delete campaign. But I sent them through a funnel, and if they were interested in what I had to offer, they would click the button, and they would click the button, and it would go to this link, which will go to my Messenger chatbot. So only 5 people went there so far. I've been split testing in different funnels, but only 5 people went there so far. 4 converted. So that lets you know that 4 people are converting right now. And then I have the 14-day trial. This is the profile funnel link that I put on my profile. This is a link that when they see my profile and they're interested in what I have to offer, they click on this. So I have 36 subscribers just from that alone. So that tells you, like, if you're trying to generate leads or even generate, sales for your business, you need to have a profile funnel and you need to have a chatbot on your page, because there's no need For me personally, there's no need to send them to a funnel if they're already on Facebook looking at your profile. You might as well send them through a chat bot so they stay on Facebook and it's easier for them. So as you can see, going on, these are some things I've created. So I have a welcome message. I did a copy just for my personal page, but I have a welcome message here. I have an exclusive trial. I have the $1 a day offer scheduled. Build up to $1 a day, $1 a day campaign, demo broadcast, walkthrough broadcast. This is just me testing some things. And no, I think this is when I sent people a video on how to use the software. So it's pretty simple. I don't have a lot in here because I'm just now starting this. I've only had this Facebook page for like a week or two. So, 40 subscribers in a week or two is hella good results, especially if they turn into, sales or customers. So it's pretty straight to the point. Also, if you go here, add new, as you can see, you could create a welcome message. A welcome message is basically the thing they see once you implement a chatbot on your page. So most people, when they message a page, they just message the page, like they're able to message the page. They might see a few options or questions they could click, but they usually just message the page as if it's a regular business page. But when you have a chatbot and you create a welcome message, there's a get started button on the page that you have to click before even getting into contact. And once they click that get started page, they become a subscriber. Once they click the get started button, they become a subscriber. So the welcome message is very powerful. That's how you really get people into your bot. That and campaigns, the campaigns that I just showed you here, where you just send a link to someone. Speaking of campaigns, I'm gonna probably go back to that to go over more of it. But then there's the keyword message. The keyword message is so powerful, especially if you're running a chatbot agency and you're focusing on gyms or whatever. I'll probably just post a video inside of here. I posted it in the mini chat group, but I'll post a video inside the Facebook group to show you how, for gyms, for example, if someone asks for drop in, if they type drop in inside of your chatbot, the keyword message is designed to automatically recognize that and respond to that message. So you can set a keyword message for anything that you want. So you could set it to contain the exact keyword and some other things in there. I'm gonna go into it. I don't want to go too detailed on it if you're just starting out. But then you have the general message. The general message is just a general message that you can create. It's basically a general sequence. And then there's the broadcast where you can market to people. You do have to read some things before you broadcast a message because Facebook doesn't want people spamming their messenger chatbot with offers and whatnot. There's the auto response. So for example, which I need to set up on this page, if I don't recognize a certain thing that they say and I'm not available to respond, or my VA is not available to respond to them, this auto response will pop up and it will say something like, well, thanks for your question, or thanks for your message. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. Simple as that. And then integrate it. I haven't even used this yet. I'll probably look that up today, but I haven't really used that yet as well. The training, this is for people who want to start a chatbot agency. So if you're Travis Stevenson, if you're watching this, I am promoting you at the moment, but this is for people who want to start a chatbot agency and get more training on this software in general. So I'm gonna just go here. It's taking forever to load. I don't know why my picture isn't popping up or whatever, but it's just a software to. Okay, it's just a software to basically teach you how to use this software step by steps, and then start generating clients with this software. And then the settings is pretty simple. Everything's starting to go slow now. So this is, which is weird because it says I have menus on my Silverfox page, which I really don't. But it's probably just going slow because I'm recording this thing. Okay, so now it's resetting. Okay. So the menu is a thing that you can add to your chatbot to So whenever maybe they want to check out your website, you can have a menu option for that. You can also have a sub menu as well. So for example, maybe they want to go to your website and you have a sub menu of like a about us section, a services section, all that type of stuff. It's just a persistent menu that they can easily scroll up on their messenger inside your chatbot in Messenger, and they could choose from the option of menu items you have. Personally, I don't have one because I don't want anybody going anywhere else. I want them to stay right inside of Messenger. I don't want to send them anywhere else unless I want to send them there. So there's that. There's the custom fields and tags, which you could tag people. I showed you earlier how I'm tagging people. Email, pretty simple. You could tag people with a yes or a no. I mean, these are custom fields, the yes and the no. So, for example, if somebody is in your chatbot and they respond yes or no to a message, it's just a custom field. Templates, this is really powerful, especially if you want to, say they have to be using Chatmatic to use this. But say you like a gym, if you're going after gyms, right? And you're selling you're selling a chatbot to a gym, and you see a chatbot that someone has created and you like it, you can go inside templates, tell them to copy the code, or you can just ask them to copy the code. You just put it in here, and then they'll automatically copy it. So once they give you the code to the template, the share code, you can just put it inside of here, and you can import the template. It's pretty simple. Integrations is just things like Zapier, all the type of stuff. Automations. You can also add admins as well. So, for example, if you're working with a certain company, and for example, say you're working with a certain company and you have access to chatbot, but you want to give them access as well, so they could probably learn how to use a chatbot or whatever. You could just add them as an admin, just type in their email, and they'll invite them to the page. Then there's the billing thing, where you know what billing is, how much the software costs to use. Chatmatic is free up to 150 subscribers, and then from that point on, it's $97 a month to start out. So it's pretty simple. But I just wanted to go over some things in here. Actually, let me go back to campaigns to show you this. And here you could create a landing page. You create follow-up messages, and they're adding these things in soon. And you could create Messenger referral URL. I usually use these for most things because, why not? But I use these for most things because it sends them directly into Messenger, like directly. It's better than a landing page to me, but I send them directly into Messenger. But that's pretty much it for this video. If you want more like information, sorry, some keeps distracting me outside. If you want more information on, how to use this chatbot or how to use chatbots to grow your business, just comment down below what you're confused on, what you need help with, what you like about chatbots, which platform you're going to use. I recommend you could use ManyChat and Chatmatic. They just can't go on the same page. But, maybe there's a flow that you like in Chatmatic and you're using ManyChat. It's probably best to just create a Chatmatic account, copy the share code into your account, and then just copy it into ManyChat. So that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you want in the group. I don't want to just spam you with useless content. I actually want to show you some content that you can use to grow your business. Chatbots are one of the best ways to grow your business. I'll probably make another video soon on how to start getting people into your chatbot and, how to get sales from it. It's pretty simple, in my opinion. But that's it for this video. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. Also, before I forget, please subscribe to my channel. I'll leave a link below the video. I'll leave a link in the comments. Subscribe to my channel if you want more content, because I'll probably start posting more on YouTube as well to give you guys some value. So take care and have a great day, guys.